Other than pan, zoom and orbit for navigation in SketchUp, we have other tools to navigate in it. Under the camera, we can find position, walk and look around tools through which we can navigate in another way. If we click on position camera, look how our cursor is changed to a small man. When we left click on a one position, it just our camera angle just changed to a new view. This view shows our camera at a particular point, and on the bottom right corner we can see our eye height is 3.176 meters. If I want my height to be 2.5 meters, so it just shifts itself to 2.5 meter. And just after when I click the position camera, look, my cursor changed to look around. This is the cursor will be looking like a eye. So what I have freedom to do, just left click and drag all around. It gives me freedom to look around the space. These tools are really helpful for places like you want to see inside a room. So you just place a camera and you can just use look around, so you can see everything from the inside of a room. Like I want to see from inside this room, so I will go to camera, put position camera, click here, so it will go inside that room, and then I will left click it and I will just drag it around and see how I can see from inside this particular room. Along with that, we have another option to walk. When we click walk, look, our cursor change to a walk, and what is help it helps us to walk around with a certain height. So I I can just left click and give the direction to our camera. It helps us to just walk around this particular place. Just move it little forward, it will the camera speed will increase, and just look around. So it is really helpful for us to visualize the interiors of any building for architectural students as well as interior designers, as well as it is really helpful for other professionals from other fields too. So like this. Okay. And if we want to come out from this tool, we can just select the pan tool and just orbit around it, so and zoom out. So we are outside this tool and we can visualize in a 3D manner. So try this tool by yourself. You will find it really simple and you will have a greater sense of visualization of the interiors place, and you can have a better sense of camera angle if you want to visualize it.